I'm sure some most of you need the money can story is a trend all over the internet website. I would post a bin kwa dem WhatsApp group mu kwa no. A man for share no Otumfuo Eddie Freemason bin komobi TV stations he post to on my website. And so post. That is why I'm here to come out and clear the air. Now man 40 as I say Freemason no cry no dey dey tina e trend the topic ne trend dia. We see you now man for mountains and national. Or my dream and so and that will be skin. And then I cover story. Yes, I'm taking this story because I cover viral and I will see a teaching. My man phone to me what Freemason is. And be our more target negative stories around this topic here. As and check cry in the next week or coming days. There's a hand never ban cry they become more viral. So this issue needs to be addressed. And I want one person come on if I want and so that is why I'm sitting in front of the camera here to make this clarification. Maybe be honest to me, I fine. I want to say now one thing when I say and you cry me baby chichimu. The former president Kofo and a baby chichi what Freemason is. Now a man phone so dream etimi ada was send be next coming days say hand when baso now see who say Freemason group of Freemasons behana Otumfuo Asantehene why dream better say oh okay so Freemason the class in it but you boy na me class say dey can about have my fee say subscribe to this channel. I like a video you subscribe also subscribe no that will carry say one found some about normally so into on notification now that video between be I want sa and so intimi can be in this subscribe the found some about normally so into on notification no I like a video so me more of the ex-president former president Kofo 1970 chechimo de ba for what Freemason really is. Here we are na details kakra no K1ng Ghana so there 12 so even see we are na sakoti abranti bi ono the on internet so there dey say o chechemu the difference between Freemason and Illuminati. Me go former president Kofo mra we are ye crash no na details ho no news na e benti enkomo we asa rise no me Kofo akachi emra sisia.
I don't know say o commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we need maybe our question free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng modern. K1ng will try pass.
At what point in your life did you join the Freemasons?
I think it was either 67 or 68.
Oh, that early?
I was a young lawyer in Kumasi, yes. Yeah.
What prompted that?
Because members of my family were in there. Some had been in from even before I was born.
They encouraged you into it?
Well, you don't just walk in there. Oh. You are in a way invited.
So you've been a member since what, 66?
67, 68, I think.
And what is your current position in that organization?
Perhaps it's the highest so far in the history of Masonry in at least Ghana, but it could be for the whole of Africa.
Really?
Yes, in the English Constitution, yes.
Wow. How does that make you feel? How does that make you feel?
Naturally, when you join anything you believe in and your peers or colleagues keep on promoting you, and naturally you begin to feel perhaps you are doing something very right.
What exactly do you do within the Freemasons?
Are you a brother?
What is it? Because we've heard claims that it's a secret cult, very strange.
It's not secret.
What can you tell us?
The wrong sense of secret. But the whole thing is character building. It's a system that would make a man appreciate or develop a sense of limits, accepting the Creator as the maker, giver of everything. You must believe in that first and foremost, and then also working on the basis of not doing to others as you wouldn't have done to you. So it's a moral.
Is it a religious society or body?
It's not religion. It's not a denominational thing, and so it's open to. You may be a Christian, you may be a Muslim. Whatever, you may not belong to any of these, but once you accept there was the Creator, and that we all are brought into a life by Him to acknowledge and serve Him, and also look after each other as humans, doing unto others as you wouldn't, or as you would have done to you, and not doing unto them as you wouldn't have done to you. I think essentially this is the central point.
So the main reason why I news you about Otumfuo and the Freemason, you ain't circulating. Me can away from the website, Joy News. And when I'm taking some details away, and so if you are say Freemasons from across Ghana and beyond will gather in Kumasi this weekend to honor Otumfuo Osei Tutu the second on two significant milestones. The Freemasons, Baba honor Otumfuo Asante on two different milestones are waiting me achieve. Normal me no Otumfuo Timia Ambeso Babe Hanano. The Edi can almost say his 25th anniversary on the Golden Stool. So so for 25 years, Baba celebrated the Freemasons for no ever celebrating, and also his 25th anniversary as a Freemason. And so Bora and also support the Freemason for no. So Mohanan says Asante for 25 years and also being part of the Freemason for 25 years. You take for me, show some details much about the Freemason. Mo say enye ade boni biasa. E ko our purpose some building ni pa no mamo agi e trading pon Nyankopon enso etumi edi. Nko tia branch the differences are what they buy say eno any so say da e Freemason and the Illuminati entem.
What is the difference between the Illuminati and the Freemason, and how can a member leave the court peacefully? The Freemason, most people that join, they don't leave, but I've heard of some people leaving. The Illuminati, I've never heard of anybody that left the Illuminati because it's just so tough. You sell your soul to the devil and you become extremely wealthy and rich. So the Illuminati is just extreme craziness. Freemason is just a group of men coming together, having belief and stuff. They are not that dangerous.
The me personal studies are me who say a year Illuminati ni dey emunsem who selling you so ni ade but a Freemason ni dey omobo taye miensa so better take amount for an assemblante and brotherhood be na omaje otwedi ampon di normal build wom ho from the level of apprenticeship no na ofi ho no mo na wakọ a fellowship wakosom a church no ma bibia wo se be ma ultimate tete ho manners wo di wi ase dey say to me ho twedi ampon bi and ebo wi ase wo wi ade celebrate you on a certain level bi a watimi abe a president leader wa bobra wo wi ase abe well recognized no and they celebrate you. These are the three things I realized. Timami who say yes, so Otumfuo edu that level and say about achievement, say a boa a kromwa and I see a boa ni pa we trust our level nina. So he deserves to be handled by the Freemason. So Freemason a call mo say yes. You trade am pon Nyankopon on the bo nipa and some principles be a ma be ma wadwu mu da wona ogi ewiase edi se bibi enso ho ntinye ku a te said ye wo mu kunkum nipa na se da bi eno Illuminati de mimi hu ye mi cheche mu no wadwu nchen say obetimi dey ato comment section more fi so be subscribe to this channel afin so don't sabe bo adama no chiso all notification in same way say bobo on the internet yes no matter regard say enye ku a wo mu kunkum nipa any ade say the TV stations dey be posted without a detailing in cheche mu no ntina maba we din cheche mu enso Ghana for anybody cry within the K1ng in case of any updates. I am Sabekano. Bye.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also, the Ebema. Other tribe a flow unyi sorted India terminate. I don't know say I commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are and we maybe I also train free there but it's all good. Oh yeah dear. K1ng modern K1ng will try pa.
The bia yinya calls on and a Kenya sashe koto na manso wo ebi no ha beboa krama na nanu maso atekura no na se say ensase bi obi dia dada eno na nanu ntimi njima wo mane ye but the wo ha finally asas no na the first legitimate buyer eno nti say akromfo aba bebire omo nya ahemfo wo mo do mo din ni nam no mo tonton na nanu bi nsase ti de meka and two passase legitimate one nebo only raised from 60,000 Ghana cedis what you say if 60,000 sa de kukusi a year $400,000 to $600,000 the walk pan hilltop on Sase exactly since as we will come the 25-minute drive to a Kumasi 1 hour drive to a Kumasi all this land that range from 60,000 Ghana cedis to a year $400,000 $700,000 obia sesu ewo bra frame DM me send me message CCR what you say okay so between call Facebook K1ng Ghana ko send me message oh ana heya come on nye tintin afi na be send me hi no abetwe me say me ba be hi so time no ya na me ni bi to send me message now go straight to the point the inti I will send me message Ken me here sase Yenin come straight. What I say? And you feel be good morning. Yes, our messages na a dozen. I see the more what I say. Let me be an come mama money me. I confirm a dozen. Buy lands from a legitimate source. Na be also and you come away a straight from Nanano. We say buy it from a legitimate source. So I see rated from a 60,000 Ghana cedis to a $700,000. Will be accessible and she will move. So probably some of this will fear amount or control her. One more mushy fear amount. It will fear problem. They be almost do it. It's a picture. Some channel crutches if they are not doing anything about it. If you only trust for fear and reaching out here some way, or was a king person who see company will feel, but many boy for BCMI and ye be amount you bra near more and be any command be you man no be should be any day any office. So set and make a show or pass us the walk home. The 1 hour drive to Kumasi, 25-minute drive to Kumasi. So no dear from 60,000 Ghana cedis to $700,000. Obenya even say over 25 acres at the estate crowd. It's about legitimate source and no credit here and Abinans as a part. You are Kenny, I'm the Renoni Medada. No one come to Webby, won't hear me pass. I am sure so said, who be here once. ASM Tia be pet into Mamia America Crabby. The Eddie kind. That will be us. I was so a K1ng Ghana, I was so me, especially on a TikTok. I mean, I don't want Casa on one or don't tea. And I'm over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if it's a Gusompo and a following, and I'm a TikTok. So do you answer na muyi cheme e Facebook. And the person who know I just ready and one fast for anything. I feel maybe a YouTube account. A monopa. The content a woman could do baby. I feel near deba. There are a lot of beautiful packages I did break Ghana for. One money medium when him say the museum meduma. And unti see me for when need video be a baby. And intimate share what dear back person. Yet here we should have for hey a YouTube hey. My rent fee said. Best subscribe to channel way amame. I'm when him say the museum meduma. Video ne sophomore. Be any jehon. Where we should go for I yet in YouTube hentino. Channel ya abofra afi na wonyini. Mesre wo say be kame ho ne nyini hade ya ne nso nka ho. Say the maboa ama and the TikTok. The woni padodo be almost 10% of over 1 million people na follow you on TikTok. Amanam sa so eye bi kire me e wo ye Facebook. Mo subscribe channel wo so mame. Nemum de hia ne say wo subscribe wi a. E ma wo mfisa adoma na that subscription in channel. What the one sabe boso. No what you so all. When you say details na ne credit nyina hwehwa na e de abramo. E bie mu so ha. YouTube haye. Say na bia obedi kan na won sa ka video bia me de be bia ntino. Esa be say subscribe here. Emma already free say. What was about adoma na that subscription in chain. No what you so all no. Ye nyina busua we. Brother be come ho ne nyini we so. Enka ne ya dada no. Within the ken. The catch content I dey be go YouTube ha no. I'm not dancing the munim dada no. Afi na afi ye bebe radio mu dro no. Ye sure. So when you say me dey meye. Ma ko hwe no kra no. Efe Tiffany apue ni anafo. Abro. Odra no ma wonti. Mu nya ken ye. Subscribe. Sponsor by Domans. Choose you all. Afi share video yi. E many padodo bebre. Na won so nya bi hwe. Ni mu say manu asi. Where the can subscribe rather. I don't say about Domans so. Choose you all no. Within the ken. No dey cry. The best share on our next video.
K1ng oh boy Juma we dey Jacob. So now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. So you see commentary news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. So good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted. India temni. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free there, but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng modern. K1ng will try pa.
K1ng oh boy Juma we dey Jacob. So now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. So you see commentary news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. So good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted. India temni. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free there, but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng modern. K1ng will try pa.